Hello friends, Agartala Government Medical College ni bisingtei ketal job ni notification korkha rojak tongo 1 scientist C non-medical and 2 research assistant job lajaknai scientist C non-medical ni bagai UR ni bagai post ekta tongo te age limit khairo 40 years te initial duration kha 1 year nangnai te minimum qualification jak tongo master degree microbiology biotechnology molecular biology biochemistry high qualification tongnani sajak te 4-year experience in related field nangnago scale of pay rijak tongo naidi obni ulai rijak tongo research assistant ni bagai duita post tongo UR ni bagai ekta sini ST ni bagai ekta tongo te age limit ka 30 years te initial duration kha 1 year minimum qualification kha graduate in microbiology biotechnology molecular biology biochemistry with 3 years work experience nangnai tei orojak tongo master degree in microbiology biotechnology molecular biology biochemistry high qualification nangnai ire scale of rijak tongo 31,000 rijak tongo to o job ni bagai jong bahai ke apply khlaina hingke ire rijak tongo biodata form lagai ire rijak tongo academic qualification marksheet experience certificate and 1 cell duration certificate obno lagai biodata fill up khlaiye rijak tongo 16 May 2022 o tarikni age no email no jong send khlaima ranai email rijak tongo email no send ma khlainai oro suijak tongo biodata form ro email ID te mobile number mention khlaijaknai sajak tei interview and viva ni bagai email tei no inform khlainai hinui sai rijak tongo to friends omongkha je Agartala Government Medical College ni bisingtei ketal job ni notification hai ketal job ni video naina bagai haste job channel subscribe khlai tei support khlai di video naina bagai jotona hambai।